Take a look at this 1964 Pontiac Banshee prototype, designed by GM Executive John Delorean to compete with Fords Mustang. The Banshee prototype was finally killed by GM Brass, who viewed the concept with hurt Corvette sales. When it was supposed to be scrapped, a GM employee convinced the company to sell him the car. It was driven less than 1,500 miles and only brought to car shows. It was put on the market when the owner passed away in 2006. This is the only 1964 Banshee coupe in the world. It has the sweeping hood and short deck styling, and it's 2,200 pounds of fiberglass over a steel underbody. The styling cues influenced GM future cars, like the 1968 Corvette and many others to come. This rare car is all original, just the way the prototype was developed. It's a museum piece that has been in all of the history books of GM since 1964, and it's truly a must-see.
We're conveniently located at 241 Boston Road in Milford, Connecticut, or online 24/7 at NapoliClassics.com.